Avalanche coin Avax becomes the overwhelming focus with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing verification of work and evidence of stake for quick exchanges and adjustable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the powerful universe of decentralized finance. On the off chance that you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Avalanche Avax will go from now on, we will examine the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Avalanche outline. Avalanche coin, frequently curtailed as Avax, is a decentralized stage that works with the creation and trade of computerized resources and applications. Avalanche coin hangs out in the realm of cryptographic forms of money with its imaginative Avalanche agreement, high throughput, and adaptable subnets. As blockchain innovation keeps on advancing, Avalanche prepares for versatile, energy-effective, and interoperable arrangements. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Avalanche's $31.58 and Avax is as of now positioned #12 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Avalanche is $379,144.52 with a market cap of $11,974,703,891. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 553% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Avalanche is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Avax is down to nearly 19% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have in any case. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Avalanche Benefit Mini Computer is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the exhibition of your Avax property by working out expected benefits and misfortunes in view of fluctuating business sector costs. Basically enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, charge, and our Avax adding machine will wrap up. We foresee future Avalanche cost expectations Avax gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning helps specialized investigation on the past value information of Avalanche. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Avax coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Avalanche market cap, Avalanche volume, and scarcely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Avalanche value expectation synopsis. With the ongoing cost of $31.58, Avalanche holds its ground on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Avalanche in 2025 is supposed to be $69.05, with possible fluctuations somewhere in the range of $66.76 and $76.25. The negative cost expectation for Avalanche Avax in 2030 is $438.93, with a likely high of $514.82. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Avalanche in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $26,934 mark. Long-haul investigation recommends that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $31,854 by 2050, with a likely reach somewhere in the range of $30,297 and $35,705. Avalanche Value Forecast 2024. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at any rate level of $44.04 in 2024. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $50.64 with the typical cost of $45.71 all through 2024. Avalanche Value Forecast 2025. Avalanche cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $66.76 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $76.25 with the typical figure cost of $69.05. Avax Value Gauge for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2026 the cost of Avalanche is gauged to be at around a base worth of $184. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $118.67 with a typical exchanging worth of $104.29 in USD. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $144.44 in 2027. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $174.45 with the typical cost of $148.61 all through 2027. Avalanche Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2028 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $207.87. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $249.09 with the typical exchanging cost of $213.82. Avalanche Value Expectation 2029. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least worth of $299.97 in 2029. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $356.70 with a typical exchanging cost of $310.66 all through 2029. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2030. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2030 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $438.93. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $514.82 with the typical exchanging cost of $451.35. Avalanche Value Figure 2031. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $606.61. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $762.93 with the typical worth of $624.67. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $9.47 in 2032. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1057 with the typical exchanging cost of $99.2546 all through 2032. Avalanche Value Expectation 2033. Avalanche cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1,273 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $1,550 with a typical figure cost of $1,319. Avalanche Value Conjecture 2040. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the digital currency market. Enhancement and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key methodologies for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Avax cost expectation, the year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $26.934, while the base value worth of an Avalanche can be around $21,763 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $23,386 approximately. Avax Value Figure for 2050.